Hello, and in this video I'll be showing you how to control and open files within Python. Now it's really easy to do this, and you can use a built-in function which I'll be showing you how to use in a moment. However, if you look at this text.txt file which I've created, it's got 4 lines in with just some data. It doesn't matter what's actually in this file or what type of file it actually is. It will open and read whatever it can from any file. I'm just using a text file for this example. And what we've got to do inside our Python file now is create a file handler. So we do file is equal to the function open, and this can take 2 parameters, but the first parameter is the one which is required, and that is the file name, or rather the file location. So if it's not in the same location as the actual Python script, then you'd have to locate it based on where it is. So you could say open up a HTML page on the internet by using a HTTP protocol within the open function, for example, or you can locate it on your disk space by going back and changing the directory appropriately. Also, to get it to read it line by line, what we need to do is do for, and then we'll do each line in the file, and we'll just do print line. Now when we run this, you'll notice that we actually get an extra space in between each of these outputs, which is not apparent within each of these inputs. The way to get rid of this is in the print, do a comma, and then we do end is equal to, and then just do a blank space. And what this does is it changes what the value of the end of the line will be. So for example, I could change it to be 2 backward slashes. And then if I was to run this again, you'll just get 1 backward slash at the end of each line, or rather at the beginning of each new line, which is the equivalent of it being at the end of each line anyway. So as you can see, all it does is just set a value for the new line. And so if we put that as empty string, then all we get is each one on the same way in which we input it. So that is how you open a file within Python. It's incredibly easy, but it allows you to obtain data without having to use a database. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.